Automating the world. Find our solution. Breakthroughs in achieving decarbonization and solving labor shortages. Manufacturers are under pressure to respond promptly to major new challenges such as decarbonization and labor shortages. At Mitsubishi Electric, our goal is to support our customers and society to address those demands through the use of automation. Under the slogan, Automating the World, we aim to contribute to flexible and sustainable manufacturing that supports the entire process, from design and production to operation and maintenance. At this year's JECA Fair 2024, we are introducing a diverse product lineup, including power distribution equipment and LED lighting. Our focus is on the latest products and solutions that contribute to carbon neutrality and help address labor shortages. The first step towards carbon neutrality is the visualization and reduction of energy consumption. As society moves forward to decarbonization, as part of the overall energy-saving efforts, it is important to identify actions that need to be taken at the company, factory, and facility levels. At Mitsubishi Electric, we offer a variety of products that help achieve these goals. Now, let's look at specific products that contribute to achieving carbon neutrality. For example, EcoAdvisor visualizes and analyzes the energy consumed by factories, building utilities, and production equipment. It then uses AI analysis to identify improvement points. Next, SA13 Lite supports energy and productivity management by monitoring the energy usage, operational status, and performance of each machine and production line at the manufacturing site. Merusa-SMO RFSR is a series of next-generation sustainable motors. By conserving energy and resources, they contribute to creating a sustainable society. Additionally, air blowers help efficiently create a comfortable environment by assisting indoor ventilation, heat dissipation, and air conditioning with powerful airflows. Nisola Blue Sky Lighting creates the feeling of an open space by simulating natural light shining in from the depth of a blue sky. Milaye LED Lighting helps contribute to carbon neutrality by promoting energy conservation within facilities, while also reducing installation processes and waste materials. Next, we will discuss how improving manufacturing efficiency can contribute to solving labor shortages. At Mitsubishi Electric, we are helping customers address manpower reductions by streamlining their production processes and implementing labor-saving actions that ensure consistent quality regardless of the skill level of individual workers. Let's take a look at some of the products and solutions involved. Low-voltage circuit breakers and contactors equipped with spring clamp terminals streamline installation, ensure wiring quality, and enhance maintenance procedures. Furthermore, cloud-based meter reading services contribute to efficient electricity meter reading operations. Additionally, environmentally resistant UPS devices can be monitored remotely through industrial networks and managed by factory automation equipment like programmable controllers and GOT display terminals, reducing manual work. In the case of Merupro A digital protection relays, they can help to protect high-power electrical systems automatically. Furthermore, XA M-Series electric actuators for load breakers simplify installation while also converting from manual to electric operation. And finally, ME110G series electronic multimeters, which are entered into this year's JECA Fair product competition, simplify power management. Through such efforts, we will approach current issues from the two perspectives of carbon neutrality and labor shortages and provide breakthroughs leading to solutions.